Hello, teacher. My name is Leonardo Triana. My best experience was when in travel to Spain with two companions looking for new adventures. We met many beautiful places in the city of Barcelona and Madrid. I really enjoyed history because we took the opportunity to discover. We are skateboards and several skate parks had were different obstacles. We went the desert, touchscreen and surf. It was an incredible experience. It would have been very happy. I would like to return again with a little more time and visit places that meets. Haiti is very nice country with nice people and with many activities to do. Thank you.